Hello friend, I am Professor Gharu. As in the previous example, we have solved the concept of K-map for minimized equation. So this is another type of example for minimize the equation. So this is a given equation y is equal to summation of 1, 3, 5, 9, 11, 13. In that we have to minimize the equation by using the K-map, and also we have to draw the logic circuit by using the basic gates. So first solve the K-map. As these are the given mean term, so in this mean term 13 is the value of mean term and this is greater than 7, so we need 4 variable K-map, and for 4 variable K-map we need 4 variable. So let's assume 4 variable A, B, C and D. Now I draw 4 variable K-map, 4 row and 4 column. So we can write C bar D, C bar D, C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. For same A bar B bar, A bar B, AB and AB bar. These are the position for the K-map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the mean term position for the K-map, and we have already some given mean term. So 1 is the given mean term, so we can take it as a 1. For 3 we can take it as a 1. For 5 1. For 9 1. For 11 1. And for 13 1. And rest of the mean term take it as a 0. Okay. Now try to make a pair, chord or octet, and I would like to inform you that while finding the K-map, try to find out the octet, then chord and then pair. Now here you can see you can make a chord. For this there are 4 adjacent ones, so this is a chord 1. Now you can see these 2 and these 2, another chord 2. Now there is no one available in the K-map, so we have finally 2 chords. So let's find equation for chord 1. So this is the chord 1. According to chord 1, in that we can get directly equation for C bar. When we will get a chord, at that time if there are 4 1 in the row, then no need to get the equation from this side. You can directly write the C bar D bar. Why? You can see A bar B bar, A bar B bar and AB get cancelled, A bar B bar and AB bar get cancelled. So that's why we do not consider this equation. We can directly write the C bar D. Same for chord 2. Same for chord 2. These 2 and these 2. So A bar B bar, CD, C bar D and CD. Now here you can see C bar and C get cancelled. We only get D and this A bar B bar. So here there is no any common value, so directly I write A bar B bar, and from these 2 equations one common equation, that is a D plus. Same for this bit A B bar, and here again common bit, that is a D. Now try to find out the common term from this obtained equation, B bar D, A bar plus A. As we know the rule, A bar plus A, we can take it as a 1. So final answer, that is a B bar D. Now we have equation for chord 1, we have equation for chord 2. Okay. Draw logic circuit by using basic gates. So there are total 4 input, A, B, C, D, but we need only C bar, D bar. So you can directly write C bar, C. So apply the NOT gate, you will get a C bar, AND gate, and simply you write D. Okay, for chord 1, and B bar D, we can get another input B and apply the NOT gate for B bar, and again same D. You can get a common. This equation for C bar D, this equation for B bar D, and finally, as in the K map, we write Y is equal to C bar D plus B bar D. So finally, we have to OR of these two equations. So connect the OR gate, and finally we can write equation C bar D plus BD, B bar D. Okay friends, this is the final logic diagram for this given minterm. Now, thank you very much.
So guys, stay innovative, stay hungry, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. I will get back to you very soon with new stuff. Till then, bye bye.